you today? I hope everyone is fine, yeah? So let me introducing myself. My name is Keisha. I will be 17 years old soon, in January. Okay, without further ado, jadi here I want to tell our present the life and activities of a famous writer. Its name Terelai. Okay, so Darwis or yang biasa dipanggil Terelai was born in small town in South Sumatra province. Name is Lahat City. On May 21, 1979. Darwis was not a child born to a very rich family. His parents earned their daily living as farmers and were blessed with my children. He is known to be the sixth of 7 children. Even so, Terelai parents education and nurse their child so that we will grow up to be a smart and intelligent person. Okay, Terelai spent much of her childhood in her hometown. When he reached school age, Terelai recovered his basic education at East Kikem II State Elementary School. As Kikem district, then Terelai continued to secondary level education at SMP Negeri 2 Kikem, which is also located in the Lahat Regency area. Okay. After entering high school, Terelai started leaving her hometown to continue her education at SMA Negeri 9 Bandar Lampung Provinsi. Okay. Jadi her life in Bandar Lampung, not Bandung, Lampung, yes, made Terelai a person who is trying for knowledge. Next, Terelai decided to continue her education to a higher level. So, he wants to recover the best higher education in Indonesia. Yes, it's UI, Universitas Indonesia. The person of his is a study in Universitas Indonesia atau biasa disebut dengan UI. In the end, Terelai's success and making her dream come true. Itu kayak Terelai was official accepted and a new student at the UI. As a novel writer who is closely related to the literature study program, it turned out that many people do not that Terelai is a student from the accounting department at the UI Faculty of Economics. Jadi dia tuh sekolahnya di UI Economics fakultasnya. Okay. Jadi after completing her studies, Terelai apparently did not work in company that was related to the work of literature or writing. Terelai inevitably worked as an accountant at the company. This is also in accordance with his educational background, namely accounting. Terelai writing skill start from a hobby. Jadi dia. Okay. Looking at her education, background, and characteristic, many people have the wrong idea about Terelai. Terelai is not the same person as shown in the book. Jadi beda banget. So, many people also wonder did Terelai come from produce dozens of novel with story and around the feeling of their readers. This is culturally very surprising after investigating. Terelai turned out to be skilled at writing novels and in large quantities thanks to her hobby of writing. Even though he is an accountant, Terelai is someone who really likes reading. Oke. Walaupun dia ininya komunikasi, account atau nggak ekonomi gitu, dia suka banget nulis. Jadi in the world of writing, Terelai is actually the pen name used by Darwish. Jadi nama aslinya itu Darwish, bukan Terelai. Darwish himself got the pen name Terelai from an Indian song by a famous Indian singer duet, namely Lata Mangeshkar and Raj Kumar Rathod. Darwish learned about this song while watching the film Farzana, and conditionally the main star in was Shah Rukh Khan. A writer usually has special skill in producing literary work, including writing prose such a novel. For example, J.K. Rowling is known for her characteristic of writing fiction novel with extraordinary imagination. Not only that, there is also the name of novelist Agatha Christie, which cannot be separated from the character Hercules Poirot, or a detective character who is present in the novel and the 33 novel dan 50 short story the world. Oke. Terus, however, this special skill does not able to Terelai. It could be said that Terelai can almost write various types of prose literary work. For example, his ability to create novel has been proven in this work, and certainly memorizing Fleur de Lisa in the work which became one the best-selling books. Terelai was able to create a story that is creating to make reader cry and be moved. Apart from being a bestseller, the novel Hafazalan Salat Delisa also managed to appear on the big screen and ever become one the film most sought after by an audience after its release. The film Hafalan Salah Delisa has a story that is almost the same as the novel. Namely, the story in the 2024 yang Aceh Tsunami. The film, which one first broadcast on December tanggal 22 Desember 2011, sukses in entering more than 668,000 viewers. Wow. Then, Terelai also showed her versatile writing skill in a series of novels entitled The Country of the Badebah and The Country at the Edge of the Horn. Both novels are known to have the genre of action novel. Action novels themselves can be understood as story that depict actual exciting battle between the main character and variant opinion. Now, because we already know how this famous writer and that the and my jadi itu dia presentasi aku of my presentation this time. If there are any mistake, please forgive me and see you in the following presentation, guys. Love you and thank you so much. Bye bye.